Okay, Triumph Club run today, and me on my KTM. So yeah, we are doing a big group ride to the motorcycle museum. It's about an hour's ride from here. Yeah, it should be pretty cool. I am with the Triumph dudes. I'm meant to be on a Triumph, but obviously not. But maybe sometime soon. I'm actually thinking about selling the Duke. Yeah, I realized, well, I didn't realize, but I learned that the 790s can suffer from cam issues. While it is unlikely that it will happen, I don't like that kind of anxiety and stress in my life. I went through enough of that with my first gen Tuono after it decided to blow up a gearbox and a stator and flywheel and a demand sensor and all the things that go with Aprilias, and also the valve creep that can happen. So just decided I'll rather cut my losses, sell the Duke, hopefully get a speed triple 1050R. There's quite a nice one I'm looking at getting. It's up country, so we'll see what happens there. Not a mission. Are we fucking late or something? Jesus. I don't often ride super fast on this bike, just purely because the wind blast is pretty uncomfortable. I normally cruise around this speed on the highway, 135, which is round about the speed limit. Going much faster is really not great on this bike. That is the caveat. Speeding on this bike is pretty shit, not gonna lie. Woo! That's one way to start the ride. Missed my street triple. I feel like I'm riding a 300 compared to those bikes. The 790 really is built for low speed wrapping. Huh? How would we meet here? That's random. Oh well. Okay, all the triumphs are ready. I am the outcast of my KTM and there's one Suzuki and 3 765s in yellow. Now we do the long ride to meeting point 2.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.